Welcome back, guys, to Automotive Inc. Today we're doing a little ditty on the 2013 Nissan Altima. So if you guys know, 90% of these cars don't have a dipstick. I will link this down below. They just come with this plastic cover, but if you wanted to check or top off fluid, you have to do level surface down below and use a little sight like bolt drain hole. So I bought this dipstick and the fluid's good, but one thing I want to show you guys is you can see this little metal thing right here. This is the little catch for that little prong right here. So if you want to remove your cap or anything like that and you don't want to destroy, if you do destroy, you can use some zip ties and hold it on. You need to basically depress this, and it's easier to see it when it's kind of out of the hole. And if you guys go on the back side of your cap here, you're going to snap that little ring off. So once this thing is down and seated on here and clipped on, you can see right here, this is that little clip I was talking about. And whether or not you want to use a screwdriver or not, but once it's latched down, all you got to do is go between the metal and this plastic thing. And that's going to depress it. You can see right there I've depressed it. And then from there, you can pull it out. If you push behind here, you're going to damage it, break it. So just keep that in mind. Once you're ready to latch it, you can latch it. With the air manifold thing on here, you can't really get to it. If you want to take it off, it's 210 millimeters. You can pop that off, and then you can get a little pick in that hole, make it easier. If you don't want to try and get your screwdriver down in there, I would just recommend taking off the 210s here, tipping this up, pulling it out, and then you can stick a pick in here sideways and it'll come right out, your cap or your dipstick, whatever you want to do. So this is just something I want to show you guys to help out. There are some other videos out there that don't really kind of show you where you're prying, and 90% of the time you're going to go on the back side of that, and it's not going to come, and you're going to snap it off. So I would just encourage you, if you want to check it, it takes all of probably 20 seconds to undo the 210 millimeter screws that hold the air box right there on. You can see the little two holes. And then, like I said, then just use a pick or whatever, just push it in, pull it off. Again, there's nothing that attaches your intake system onto that other than the two screws. So just do that, save yourself a world of hurt. I will link this dipstick down below. And if you just want to replace your cap because you broke it off thinking you could check it, I will link one of those down below. Make sure you guys sub and like, and I'll catch you on the next one.